what it is, or what's up.
What's good, Jillians? It's your bae, Tammy J, and the spaceship has landed with yet another download, aka video. So let's get right into it. Today's video is just me doing a hair review on this Dorosy hair that I got from Amazon.
Where the fuck? Open.
Alright, you guys, so here I am unboxing the hair, pulling out all those goodies. They did send me some lashes and a wig cap. There's the wig cap and the lashes from Huda Beauty in the style Giselle. And this is just the hair. It's 10-inch and it was a 360 style lace cap. And upon removal from the box, the hair was soft to the touch. It didn't really feel like fresh out of the box hair per se. So I'm already giving them points for that. Look at the curl pattern. It was very nice. I want to say this was a deep wave or deep curly. I can't exactly remember the style of the curls, but here I am just trying it on first before I style it, just to see how natural the hairline looks and everything. And I say they did a pretty good job, especially since this is coming from Amazon, y'all. Like, come on, sis. Alright, now that I've tried it on, I am liking how it's looking so far. So now I'm just going to hop right into styling. So first I'm going to wet it with my misting bottle just to get it all moisturized and easier to style. Then I'm going to take some clips and just clip the hair back. And then I'm taking my T-pins just to secure the unit on the head so it's not sliding around while I'm manipulating it. Now I'm just taking my Cream of Nature mousse, wrap setting mousse, and I'm just laying the hairline down. I'm not necessarily trying to make baby hairs. I like the way the hairline already looks. So I'm just laying those hairs with the mousse. But if you want baby hairs, by all means, sis, do you. I'm just not, a fan of the baby hair look on every single unit I have. So yeah. Now I'm just going in and cutting the lace off of the unit, and since this was a 360 lace unit, it has lace all around. So you could wear this up if you wanted to. I haven't tried to wear a unit up yet, but I might with this unit. I don't know. The curl pattern is kind of discouraging of that, but yeah. It's 360 for y'all who like to wear them up. Alright, after I've removed all the clips, I'm just going to take my brush and try to get the curls a little bit more uniform, get them clumped together. And then I'm just going to go back in with a little bit more of that mousse so that I can lay the unit down and get the curls a little bit more defined. And now I'm just using my wig brush to get them further clumped and defined. And now I'm just going to take my misting bottle and wet the unit a little bit more so I can add some more mousse, get those curls popping just a tad bit more. Now I'm going to go in with my curly product, and I'm using the OK Shea Coiling Custard, I believe it's called. Something like that. But it's very good for moisturization of curls. I like to use it with my twist out so it leaves them juicy. So I figured, why not for this unit? And I could have also gone back in and plucked the hairline a little bit more if I wanted to, just to make it look, quote, more natural. But it doesn't really matter to me. It looks natural enough, and we all know this is not my hair, so. Installation time. I'm taking my Got To Be Glued Ultra Glued Gel, and I'm just going to put that around my hairline. And then I'm going to take the Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray, add that to the top. And then wait for it to get all nice and tacky wacky. Now I'm just going to put that over where I applied the glue. Make sure it's all aligned. And then once I have it on, off camera, I'm going to go in and conceal the scalp a little bit. The part that I made in the unit, or that the unit came with, rather. Just to make sure it blends in with my skin. So the scalp, the part, at least looks natural. But I'm not going for the baby hair look. And I'm just gonna wet the unit a little bit more, because curly units, they love that hydration, they love that water. So I'm just adding a little bit more of that, and then this is the final look after it's all complete, you guys. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want more videos like this, just give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.